Alright guys, how's it going? I'm up in the mountains today, just riding around. Stopped off at this water tank place up there, and it's got a cell phone tower thing up there. Lovely view of the mountains down through there. I know you won't see on the GoPro too well, but it's like valley cuts through and it's mountains, mountains, mountains. I can see the peak of one a long way off. Lovely area. Out on the YAMAHA SCR950 today, out on the beast. Just pulled over, quick pocket dump. What are you guys carrying today? I'm carrying the Sencut Citius. Nice little flipper. That's a lovely slim little pokey job, this one. 3¼ inch blade. Liner lock. Great for spidey flicking. I'm getting better. Been practicing. What else have we got? Oh yeah. I always carry a cold steel Voyager when I'm on the bike. Or at least I have done for the last couple of years. Normally it's a Tanto. This time I've got the Chris, and this blade is heavy enough. Just drops out like that. Look at that little wiggly monster. 5-inch blade, OS10. Beautiful blade. You got a hell of a reach with the Chris, with the Voyager. You can hold it like almost like a pistol. It'll give you that extra reach if you need it. You can choke up on it. You know, the way that your hand wraps in there, you got a wonderful, awesome grip on that. And the grip itself is pretty awesome too. There you go, the Wiggly Chris and the Sencut Citius. Alright, I'm gonna carry on riding around. Drop a little thing in the comments there, let me know what you guys are carrying. Catch you later guys.